1. Currently, I have excellent news for all classic car enthusiasts. An amazing 1964 Chevrolet El Camino is up for sale in excellent condition for only $22,500. With a mileage of 75,700 miles, rest assured that you are getting not only a beautiful, but also a time-tested car. This beauty comes equipped with a manual transmission and stands out in red both on the exterior and interior. The car runs on gasoline and is in excellent condition, as confirmed by a clean title and no serious damages or issues. The engine of this El Camino has been fully restored. The original 283, with less than 500 miles, equipped with a new Holley 4-bolt carburetor. The transmission has not been neglected either. With a new clutch and pressure plate, the 3-speed gearbox has been inspected, sealed, and had its universal joints and other parts replaced. The braking system has been completely updated, excluding the drums, which have been turned. The suspension is also up to par. New control arms, shocks, springs, tie rods, steering linkage, and other components. The tires are brand new as well. The interior of this Chevrolet El Camino has been left in its original state, featuring new carpeting and a repainted dashboard. The seller emphasizes that this car is not for exhibitions, but for driving. It confidently moves and attracts attention wherever you stop. The ad's author also added a small warning for potential buyers, noting that this is not for spammers, scammers, and dishonest individuals. So if you are looking for a stylish, reliable, and captivating car, this Chevrolet El Camino is exactly what you need. 2. For sale is a unique 1985 Mercury Grand Marquis for just $2,500. This stylish car, with a mileage of 156,211 miles, promises to be a wonderful acquisition for enthusiasts of reliable and classic vehicles. Describing this Grand Marquis, it should be noted that it comes with an automatic transmission and has a pleasant beige exterior that complements the tan interior. Running on gasoline, this car has only had 2 owners, a clean title, and no serious damages or issues. The seller emphasizes that the car is fully paid off, adding confidence to its history. This Grand Marquis is not only functional but also attractive for collectors, as it is already 37 years old and still in good shape. The car starts reliably, and according to the seller, it has a clean title despite the lack of heating. It is also equipped with air conditioning. The seller even expresses a willingness to consider trades. Given its age as an antique car, it undoubtedly presents a unique opportunity for those seeking a reliable, stylish, and budget-friendly solution in the world of automobiles. 3. I am currently providing you with information about an exciting 1965 Ford Mustang available for purchase at just $18,500. This stylish car, with a mileage of 90,000 miles, is a true treasure for classic and style enthusiasts. According to the seller, this Mustang comes with an automatic transmission, a deep blue exterior, and a blue interior, creating a magnificent appearance. Running on gasoline, this car has only had 2 owners and has a clean title, emphasizing its history. The seller highlights that the first buyer offering $18,500 will take this Mustang. Prices are fixed for a quick sale, and the seller is not considering lower offers. The car is fully functional, and you can invite your mechanic for inspection. Engine and transmission maintenance has been performed before the sale. A new generator, radiators, and a new fuel line from the engine to the tank have been installed. The car comes with new tires and aluminum wheels, as seen in the photos. The seller emphasizes that the car is in excellent shape for its age and includes spare parts. A clean title provides confidence in its history, and the seller assures that you will love this car. He also highlights that it makes an excellent Christmas gift. Don't miss the opportunity to acquire this beautiful Ford Mustang that promises to bring joy to its future owner. 4. Currently, I have information about an exciting 1950 Ford GT available for purchase at just $12,900. This vintage coupe, having surpassed 100,000 miles, offers a potential owner a unique experience of owning an authentic car with character. According to the seller's description, the car, with its extraordinary blue exterior and gray interior, is fully paid off, This coupe impresses with its exterior condition, as the body is in excellent shape and the undercarriage has been replaced, with the replacement done in high quality. All brakes, including the master cylinder, have also been replaced. Despite minor flaws, the interior is in decent condition, requiring only a headliner replacement. The car features a manual transmission, giving it a distinctive character and making it an excellent driver's car. The front end has been updated with the installation of new bushings, adding reliability to the driving experience. The seller emphasizes that this is not a show car but an excellent driver. Exchange is possible, opening up additional deal options. Overall, this 1950 Ford GT represents a unique opportunity for those seeking something special. Despite its years, this car retains its character and is an excellent choice for those who appreciate style and uniqueness in the world of retro automobiles. 5. I present to you an amazing 1976 Cadillac Eldorado, available for purchase at $32,500. This magnificent car, with only 43,000 miles driven, represents the perfect blend of style and excellent preservation. According to the seller's description, this Eldorado was previously owned by a collector in Oklahoma and was meticulously cared for. Before coming to us, the previous owner installed new tires and a new convertible top, which is claimed looks fantastic. At Pedigree, we conducted thorough technical maintenance, including the replacement of drive belts, the air conditioner compressor, headlights, windshield washer pump, fuel tank, as well as repairs and replacements of various parts to ensure the excellent condition of the car. As a result of the performed work, this Eldorado has become one of the smoothest and most enjoyable to drive among all we have ever had. You'll hardly feel it at idle. It accelerates neatly with almost imperceptible gear shifts. The car moves absolutely straight with strong brakes. It's an excellent driver that brings pride to its new owners. The air conditioner works excellently, and the radio and antenna are original and fully functional. The car looks stunning after detailed processing, bumper element replacement, and new trim. In summary, this 1976 Cadillac Eldorado is a visual delight, capable of attracting attention anywhere. With its character, excellent drivability, and details preserving the original style, it's an ideal choice for classic car enthusiasts. 6. Currently, I have exciting information about the available 1969 Ford Thunderbird, and the price for this magnificent car is only $3,400. This stylish Thunderbird, with 74,000 miles on it, presents a unique opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. The seller's description emphasizes that the car has been paid off, has a clean title, and has no serious damages or issues. It delights the eyes with a brown exterior and black interior, creating a look that grabs attention. This Thunderbird is equipped with a 429 Thunderjet engine, paired with an automatic transmission. The seller notes that the car is in very good condition and drives excellently. Recently, important updates have been made, such as new tires, a starter, and a complete technical service, including a full tune-up. This Thunderbird is not just a car. It's an opportunity to acquire a historical model in excellent condition at an affordable price. 7. I am currently presenting you with a unique opportunity to acquire a 1953 Plymouth Cranbrook, available for only $5,000. This authentic car, with 66,000 miles on it, is a true gem for retro car enthusiasts. The seller's description reveals that this Cranbrook is mostly original, with a column-shift manual transmission and a flathead 6-cylinder engine. The car operates on a 6-volt system and is equipped with air shocks on the rear axle, giving it a distinctive style. This Plymouth has a clean title, with no serious damages or issues. It is painted in brown with a white interior, creating a classic appearance. The seller emphasizes that the car is mostly in its original condition, preserving its uniqueness. A new battery may be needed, but beyond this potential requirement, the car is maintained in good condition. This Plymouth Cranbrook is an excellent opportunity for those seeking a stylish retro car with history. 8. I currently have interesting information about a 1978 Oldsmobile Cutless available for purchase for just $2,100. This project car, equipped with an automatic transmission, is an excellent opportunity for those looking for a project with history and potential. The seller's description specifies that it is a restoration project roller, and overall, the car is quite sturdy with minimal rust. Although the car has been idle for some time, it has a clean title, and there are no significant damages or issues. This Cutlass requires some work, including the installation of the engine, transmission, painting, etc. It may need some additional attention, but overall, it's a great starting point for a restoration project enthusiast. Considering the low cost and the potential of this project, it's an excellent opportunity to restore and revitalize this Oldsmobile Cutlass, breathing new life into it and creating a unique car with character. 9. Currently, I have interesting information about a 1969 GMC 1500 available for purchase for only $6,000. This truck, with a manual transmission and both exterior and interior in blue, represents a unique opportunity for enthusiasts of classic vehicles. The seller's description reveals that this GMC is equipped with a V8 engine, although its exact capacity is not specified. With a 3-speed manual transmission, new headers, an aluminum radiator, and an oil pan, this truck is more appealing than it may seem. However, despite its appearance, the vehicle is assessed in fair condition. The seller notes that some restoration work has been done, including a new seat and floor repair. He also points out that the body needs some work or can be used as is. The truck runs well, accelerates quickly, is registered as an antique, although the braking system requires some attention. Overall, this 1969 GMC 1500 provides a unique opportunity to acquire a beautiful truck with history and some improvements, ready for a new chapter in its life. 10. Currently, you have a unique opportunity to acquire a 1966 Ford Fairlane 500, listed for sale at $31,900. This wonderful car, having traveled 100,115 miles, is an excellent example of a classic vehicle ready to capture your admiring gaze. The seller's description reveals that the Fairlane 500 XL is equipped with an automatic transmission and has an exterior and interior in blue. This car, which has been fully paid off and has a clean title, has no serious damages or issues. This splendid classic car not only looks great, but also drives beautifully. It features bucket seats, a console shifter, and air conditioning, making it not only stylish but also comfortable to use. The interior is rated at 9 out of 10, and the paint at 8 out of 10. While the paint looks fantastic, there are a few minor areas that could require some touch-up. Overall, this 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 is an excellent choice for those seeking a stylish classic car with good condition, comfort, and a unique design. Don't miss the opportunity to acquire this beautiful car that will easily capture the attention of any classic car enthusiast.